Keep your tools and parts within reach, whether you're working under the hood or under the car, with this 2-in-1 mobile tool tray from Performance Tool. The tool tray rolls smoothly thanks to 3-inch swivel casters and a sturdy metal frame. You can roll the tray in and around your vehicle, keeping all of your most needed tools within reach. The tool tray has adjustable height settings for different tasks. Raise or lower the tool tray by easily clicking a button and either raising or lowering the tray. It has a locking lever and security bolt for added safety. The large plastic tray measures 29 inches by 18 inches. It has compartments to sort and organize the most common tools and hardware. Plus, a pair of the compartments have magnetic bases to keep small hardware and tools under control. When you are ready for some repairs under your vehicle, rotate the anchor tab and slide the tool tray out of the frame. The tool tray has swivel casters, which allow it to easily roll on your garage floor when you're doing maintenance or repairs under your vehicle. The tool tray can hold up to 130 pounds.